We'll guide you through how to add downloads to your dock on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because then you can click on the stack and it's going to open up and you're going to be able to go and access the downloads and you can quickly go and drag them somewhere or you can just go and open them up. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss something important with how you need to go about this. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what you need to do is go and open up Finder. So you can come over to the left in the dock and you can go and find Finder and click on it to open it up. Now what you need to do is you need to go and locate your downloads. Now if you find the downloads is missing from this list here, we need to go and add it. So to go about this, what you need to do is go and press Find It in the top left of your Mac, go down to Settings, come into Sidebar and come into the favorite section. And what you need to do is you need to go and find downloads. So you need to go and click it to the left and it'll then go and be added to the list here. Now what you need to do is when you've got it in this list, you need to go and click, hold and start dragging it. So you can go and start dragging it like so. You need to go and drag it just to the left of the trash and you should see that line then goes and moves over and you can release it and it's now been added. So now what I can do is go and click on downloads like so and it will go and open. You can change how this goes and looks by right clicking on it or clicking it with two fingers. I like to go and have the fan, so when you click on it, it goes like this, but there are those different options there and you can go and choose how it's sorted. So I like to have date added just so it then shows me the most recent one, as you can see at the bottom there. That's it. That is how you can go and add the downloads and you've got those different settings there for it as well. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. I look forward to catch you again in the future with another how-to. Goodbye for now and I'll catch you again soon.